Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Today I am going to share about Blue. Blue is a full customizable project management platform that's packed with loads of features designed to streamline project workflows and operation. If you want to streamline your workflow with this simple and powerful project management system, then Blue is for you. Get your team up and running faster using an intuitive interface, versatile project management boards, and minimal training. Streamline workflows and boost productivity with powerful automation and AI. If you are a consultant or marketing agencies and manager, this tool is for you. This is an alternative to Asana, Monday.com and Trello. Now I am going to share about how Blue works. Now first we will go from Appsumo website to Blue website. Then click on sign up. Now we will complete the registration of the Blue. Now we will give the company name and click on continue. Now we have two options for creating the project: blank project and use a template. Use a template I prefer, as you can see that there are many types of projects like blog content, event management, general project template. I will select general present. As you can see in the preview what the dashboard of the template will look like. Now click on the use template. Now give a name test1 and click on create. Now we will do the profile settings. For this I will click on profile and click on company settings. I will change the image. For this I will bring the photo by clicking on upload. Now I will come down and click on company map. Then the location of the company can be found very easily. If you want to change the name of the company, we will see that there is an option to change the name of the company. See many options on the left side, such as we will click on LTD. As you can see that nothing is showing because there is no assign. I will see the result when I create assigned. Now if you click on all activity, you can see that there is no activity right now. Now we will click on the calendar. If you want, we can create a schedule so that we don't miss the important meeting of the company. Next option is dashboard. Here we will create a chat by clicking on create dashboard to monitor the progress of the company. Now I will click on test one of the project. As you can see, we have come to the main interface of our project. We will now click on the board, and here we will see many options. Here under activity option are recorded, wiki, chat, document, file, form, people, etc. By clicking on the people, we can add employees, business partner, as needed. I think you can understand how Blue can help you to customizable project management work. It's a paid tool. Now we will see how the product is priced. Blue main website price plan user is priced at $7 per month, so you can buy also from Appsumo because Appsumo is currently 97% off and only $59 with lifetime access. With an overall rating of 4.7 from 122 reviews and 60 days money back guarantees. And I will give you a affiliate link on my video description. If you use this link, you can get extra 10% discount on this platform. I think you will enjoy this tool, and if you enjoy this tool, please subscribe or follow this channel or page and comment us below. See you again in the next video. Thank you.